Habari gani? That means, what's the news in Swahili. Kwanzaa is a 7-day celebration honoring African heritage, unity, and purpose.
Ibaragundi.
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 Ibaragundi. Ibaragundi.
Ibaragundi.
Ibaragundi.
More than a holiday, it's a celebration of family and community, a time to gather in unity and remember the strength of our heritage.
Let's build a Kwanzaa table together. It all begins with the mkeka, this woven mat that symbolizes our foundation. On top sits the kinara holding 7 candles only. One of Kwanzaa is Umoja, pronounced Umoja, meaning unity. Today we light the black candle, honoring togetherness in family, community, and purpose. Aragundi, what's the news? Today is day 2 of Kwanzaa, Kujichagulia, self-determination. This red candle reminds us to define ourselves, name ourselves. Day 3 of Kwanzaa is Ujima, pronounced Ujama, meaning collective work and responsibility. We light the green candle, committing to build and uplift together. Day 4 of Kwanzaa is Ujima, pronounced Ujama, meaning Cooperative Economics. We light the red candle, committing to support, build, and grow our community together. 5 of Kwanzaa is Nia, pronounced Nia, meaning purpose. We light the green candle, dedicating our lives to meaningful work that serves our people. Day 6 of Kwanzaa is Kumba, pronounced Kuumba, meaning creativity. We light the red candle, using our gifts to leave our community better than we found it. Day 7 of Kwanzaa is Imani, faith. Faith in God, our people, our purpose, and our future. Imani reminds us we believe even when we cannot yet see.
Nzuri.
Ibaragundi. Habari njema.
Ibaragundi.
Nzuri. Ibaragundi.
Nzuri.
Habari njema.
Ibaragundi.
Nzuri.
Happy Kwanzaa. Thank you for watching and sharing this moment with me. May unity, purpose, and light guide your days. Peace, love, and magnified blessings.